This is Professor Luis+4 for InMed's evidence-based research. Key experiments with germ-free mice and other have provided significant insights into the cues that bacteria provide for the normal development of immunological and metabolic homeostasis that actually governs gastrointestinal tolerance. An overview of some experiments from Washington University follow that show that the colonization of germ-free mice with a single bacterium demonstrates how bacterial cues stimulate intestinal gene activation, such as upregulating immunoglobulin A beta-producing cells. This is another similar experiment looking at the interaction of bacteria and immune system cells, whereby the dendritic cell acts as a traffic cop, takes up antigen and produces cytokines, and depending on what the stimulus is, it will produce cytokines that actually elicit an inflammatory response or an anti-inflammatory response that promotes tolerance. In addition, there have been numerous intestinal immunological deficit studies with germ-free mice that have actually shown that bacteria provide cues for the development of numerous mucosal derived tissue in the gastrointestinal tract. In addition, in vitro experiments that show that commensal bacteria in the gut can increase mucus production actually show that various bacteria from the same gender show differential effects on mucus production. So again, this demonstrates that cells do not turn off and on by themselves, but it is very much likely that the intestinal flora may regulate the signals that promote overall homeostasis in the gastrointestinal tract. Recent experiments have been known to show through a multitude of studies that fibre has an anti-inflammatory effect, and that the mechanism involves the production of short-chain fatty acids that can now be conceptualized at the molecular level. Studies with short-chain fatty acids have demonstrated that they can bind to GPR43 receptors, and this actually provides an important research link that demonstrates that between dietary fibre intake and immune system functionality can be actually modulated through the GPR43 receptor on neutrophils and eosinophils, thereby providing further links that the commensal bacteria in the colon are known to actually provide metabolites that are beneficial to maintain homeostasis. Louis Pasteur, the father of microbiology, once postulated, "I have been wrong. The germ is nothing. The milieu is actually everything." Therefore, maintaining a healthy gastrointestinal tract environment is critical for continued good health. What does this involve? Prudent nutritional practices that includes the consumption of functional foods, daily exercise, daily stress management makes for good health possible. I'm Professor Luis+4 for InMed's evidence-based research.